G'day and welcome to another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Watch on as Backup has a whole lot of fun today. The Holden car show was on today, so I thought I'd take a couple little pics. Here you are. It's great to see some Aussie classic cars around. Backup's having an easy day today while I sit back, relax and watch on. Backup gets real inquisitive when sitting by me. Must be time for a walk soon. Thanks for watching another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Remember, like, subscribe, tap the notification button, stay tuned. In our next video we'll be going for a big walk. Till next time, see ya.